judges, teachers, and my dear friends. A very good morning to you all. My name is Elizabeth Rafi. I'm studying in grade 1D. Today I'm going to recite a poem. The name is The Box of Crayons, written by Helen H Moore. The poet is telling how sharing is caring. I had a box of crayons, shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend the red one and whoops, it broke in two. My friend said she was sorry, but I said I don't care, 'cause now we both can color, with one crayon we can share. Written by Helen H Moore.